Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video, I'm going to talk about bird of paradise plants, and in particular, how to get your bird of paradise plant to flower. Because that's one of the things a lot of people struggle with, getting their bird of paradise plants to flower. And there's basically 4 tips that I'm going to give you today that will help you get your bird of paradise plant to flower. The first tip is bird of paradise plants love to be pot bound. The tighter they are in that pot, the better. To the extent that they could be bursting out the top, their root system, they could be splitting the pot along the sides, their roots could be coming out from the bottom. That's fantastic. Leave it where it is. Only repot your bird of paradise plant if that pot is totally disintegrated and it's just a bare bulb. Otherwise, keep it in the pot that it remained in, and that way, that's the biggest element to making sure that your bird of paradise will flower. The second element is you cannot afford for that bird of paradise plant to get the frost. We keep our bird of paradise plants out from sort of mid-May through to mid-October, and as soon as we do bring them out, we still keep an eye on the weather forecast to make sure there's no risk of frost. Because if that bird of paradise plant gets frost, it's not going to flower the following season, and it also may die. They just do not like the cold. So we bring ours in mid-October and we keep them indoors until mid-May. When they are indoors, we probably just water them once a month just to keep the root ball a little bit damp. But as soon as they come out in May, this is the third element, bird of paradise plants love water. So I water my plants really heavy every other day, and they thrive on that. And the other thing, the fourth element, is obviously feed. I feed the bird of paradise plants once a week with normal plant liquid food, and they love it. And they grow really well, they flower every year, and that's the main tips for me for how to get your bird of paradise plants to flower. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to get your bird of paradise plant to flower. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Take care, everybody.